Are you tired of manually moving files from one folder to another every single day? What if I told you your PC could do it for you automatically? In this video, I'll show you how to automate file transfers between folders in Windows using a simple script and task scheduler. No extra software needed. But before we dive into the video, if you are new to the channel, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Now let's get started. So to automate file transfer between folders, I've created two folders, okay? The source folder and then the destination folder. So the source folder contains a file named test, okay? It's a video file. So this is the file we have in the source folder. And then the destination folder is on the drive D, which is named backup. It's empty. So now we are going to automate the file transfer from the source folder, which is the new folder, to the destination folder, which is the backup folder, okay? So to do that, I'm going to open Notepad by clicking on the search, and then I'll click on Notepad. So I'm going to copy the scripts for the automation, okay? So I'm going to copy the script, and then I'll paste it in the Notepad, okay? So we use the move command to move a file from one location to the other. So this is the location for the source folder, and this is the location for the destination folder, okay? That's the backup. So I'm going to save the script as a batch file. So I'm going to click on the file, then I'll click on save as. So I'm going to name my file autotransfer.bat, okay? And at the save as type, I'm going to click on the down arrow, then I'll click on all files, and then I'll click on save. So I'm going to close the notepad, and then this is the batch file we just created, okay? The auto transfer. Now we are going to automate that with task scheduler. So to do that, I'm going to click on the search, then I'll click on the task scheduler. So at the right pane of the task scheduler, we are going to create a basic task. So I'm going to click on create basic task. So we are going to name our task auto transfer, okay? Okay, auto file transfer. So I'm going to leave the description as blank and click on next. So when do you want your tasks to start? Okay, is it daily, weekly, monthly, one time, anyhow you want it? But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to use weekly. Then I'll click on next. So the weekly, the start time, I'm going to leave it, I'm going to leave it at the default. And then I'm going to change the time to 12:50. Okay. So at 12:50, my task is going to run. So when do I want the task to run? Is it Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or up to Saturday? So I'm going to select Wednesday. Okay, so at 12:50 every Wednesday, my task is going to run. It's going to copy the files from my source to my destination automatically. So I'm going to click on next, and then at the action, I'm going to leave the default start a program, and then click on next. So at the program script, I'm going to browse to where we have the batch file, okay? So I'm going to click on the browse, then I'll select the auto transfer, then I'll click on open. So I'm going to click on next, and then this is the summary of what we just did, okay? And then I'll click on finish. So at the task scheduler library, this is the task we have, okay? Auto file transfer. So at 12:50 every Wednesday, our task is going to run, okay? So now for the demonstration purposes, I'm going to run the task, and then it will automatically move the file from the source folder, which is the test, to the destination folder, which is the backup folder, okay? So now let me run my task, and then we see the outcome of the task. So let me open the task scheduler again, then I'm going to click on run. Okay, so let me close the task scheduler, and then if I go to the source folder, you see it's empty. So let me go to the destination folder, which is the backup on the drive D. You see, now we have the text folder in the drive D, okay, the backup folder. Okay, so this is basically how to move a file from one folder to the other automatically by using this basic script. Okay, so this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.